Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Welcome back. Okay, we've had a lot of heat, but we haven't had enough rain. And in the past few months, we continue with our deficits. And this month, we're still behind on rainfall amounts. Although the airports picked up just over 9/10 of an inch, it's still not enough. Take a look at the monthly rainfall trends, and you can see each month since January, we've been below average. And for the year now, our deficit is at 4.38 inches. So with that said, we're hoping for some rain. Fortunately, we're coming into the months we tend to have more rainfall. On average, May and June tend to be higher rainfall months with over 3 inches of rain. Doesn't mean that's going to happen, but it means climatologically we have a better shot at getting some rain here as we get through the next couple of months, and then again in the fall. But for now, it's dry, and the new drought monitor is in today. The first couple weeks of April, we did have some storms go through that produced heavy rain in our inland areas. That's why you see that peach and yellow color for parts of Duval and Jim Wells and Live Oak counties. That's because of those heavier rains we saw in those areas in the first part of the month, but the coastline just hasn't seen it, and we still have a severe drought going on, which turns extreme as you get up toward Victoria. But northern part of the state's doing pretty good. You can see only 16% of Texas is in drought, and it's all here in the south and in the west. What do we have ahead of us for the next 10 days? I looked at the potential future rain through next Friday, and you can see that next Wednesday we might get a little bit, but totals are still very low here, while most of the rain goes well to our north. We're looking at under a 1/4 inch total all the way through next Friday, according to that forecast model. All right, so heat, yes, we've been feeling that, and today we hit 97 degrees. That isn't a record, but it was well above average. At 83 is our normal this time of year. Right now, we still have sunny skies, 93 in Corpus Christi. The winds have come around to the east, and that will increase our moisture in the air tonight. So that'll lead to some fog potential tonight. We'll probably see some fog developing late tonight, otherwise clear skies, and temperatures dropping into the upper 60s with that east-southeast breeze. Get ready for another scorcher tomorrow, even hotter if you live inland. We're talking triple-digit temperatures tomorrow in our far western counties, including Orange Grove, George West, Alice, Freer. Just a very hot afternoon. At the coastline, we'll make it into the mid to upper 90s around Corpus Christi tomorrow, a record breaker indeed, but at the beaches staying in the 80s. So very warm way to end the week and lots of sunshine as the drier air is in place, and it's going to be reinforced as another cold front comes in early Saturday morning. That one, however, will allow the temperatures to come down a little bit. Not a lot, but it will be a little cooler Saturday. So the winds shifting around to the south-southwest tomorrow are going to heat it up. Tomorrow those winds staying under 20, but they pick up on Saturday. Saturday looks like a breezy day with those northeast to east winds, and it'll stay fairly breezy. Sunday, temperatures not as hot in those 80s this weekend at the coastline, some upper 70s right at the beaches, and temperatures pretty comfortable at night, especially Sunday morning with 64. Beautiful weather though, with lower humidity this weekend and lots of sunshine to get outdoors, but the above average temperatures look like they're going to continue, and a good chance of that through the early part of May. So with that, here's your 7-day forecast then. Not much rain in this forecast. We do have a slight